Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for um, Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Take only what resonates, guys. Para sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, ayan, isearch mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And, pwede mo akong check sa TikTok, guys. TikTok shop. Meron kaming mga available na product dyan if you want. You might want to check it out. Let's start the reading. This is for the sign of fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Love reading to, guys. You do have here 7 of flutes and 4 of flutes. Okay. So, nakikita natin that currently you're thinking of someone. Meron kang iniisip or something, no? Na might be gusto mong ayusin sa buhay mo, but I feel like some of you ayusin or tapusin. Meron ka nang iniisip ngayon. And maybe this is a connection with someone. And hindi naman na siya necessarily love. Pwedeng yung sa iba love. Pero yung iba maybe a career or work na feeling mo hindi nag-work out sa'yo, dapat ko itong baguhin or tapusin. Or yung iba maybe a business and maybe ay kailangan ko na pagbabago dito, dapat ayusin ko or asikasuhin ko to. Or maybe a friend, ano, na pwedeng kailangan mo i-let go, or maybe a friend na pwedeng kailangan baguhin, 'di ba? Yung attitude mo towards this friend or yung etong mga taong ito kailangan nilang baguhin kung ano yung mga ginagawa nila, like you want them as friend pero maybe may mga ginagawa sila or action sila na hindi mo nagugustuhan. So maybe ikaw ito na thinking about this situation in your life na kailangan maayos or mabago. Okay? And sino tong person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Take only what resonates, guys, ha? Hindi kasi ito personal reading. Okay, yung person sa buhay mo, you do have here the fans. And you do have here Six of Rings, quality time. There's a particular person dito na nakikita natin na maybe naglaan ka ng oras sa kanya. And not necessarily buong oras, but naglaan ka ng oras sa kanya. And this person, during that time, marami siyang nakita sa'yo, na-realize sa'yo, and napansin sa'yo, na sabihin na natin nakapagpagulat sa kanya or naghapagbigay interest sa kanya. Okay? Maybe in the past, tinry niyang kontrolin yung sarili niya regarding sa pag-iisip ng something na important sa'yo. Like, maybe wala lang, maybe this is a friend na iniisip na ay wala lang yon. And then, there's this time between the two of you na parang nakita niya, oh, may something. Parang ganon. And, I feel like, itong time na to was like a fun kind of time na pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng activity together. And ito yung, or maybe yung iba, pwedeng nasa home. May nakikita akong home eh. And some of you, maybe may kinalaman sa money, pero pwede rin mang wala. But I can see activity. Or yung iba pwedeng may kinalaman sa learnings. Okay? Pwede may mga inaaral or ginagawa kayo during that time. Wherein, dito nagkaroon ng time sa isa't isa na naging dahilan para dito sa person na ito na parang mapansin ka niya talaga. Okay? So anyway, it could be the two of you only, kayong dalawa lang, or maybe maybe a group. Okay? A group of people, maybe friends are present nung time na yon. Okay? But itong time na to ang nagbigay dito sa person na to ng interest, no? let's see ano yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Emotions, you do have here the Ten of Rings and the Queen of Flutes. Okay, medyo pagpasensya mo na yung aking ilaw, medyo nagloloko siya. Okay, person nakakonect mo, you do have here Four of Rings. Yeah, Ten of Rings is here. Emotions mo. I feel like you do care a lot about this person. Nandun yung pag-aalala, pag-iisip mo dito sa person na to. Maybe you see this person as, yeah, with the Ten of Rings, maybe gusto mong i-open ang sarili mo sa kanya. Like, not necessarily mahal mo as, love na pangrelasyon. Maybe this is a friend na pwedeng open ka, no? Na nandito lang ako, parang ganun. And I see this like as a brother or sister kind of love, ganun. Or neighbor, parang ganun. Or if you are magkaibigan, magkaklase, pwedeng ganun. Maybe I see you as someone na you see this person na ganun. Na parang okay siyang kasama. Okay siya na pag kinailangan niya ako, I'm here. Okay? I'm a friend na pwedeng magbigay ng tulong, parang ganyan. And then this person, as much as possible, is tinatry niyang, wag, hindi pwede, ayoko, parang ganun. May pagpipigil sa kanya na dito sa pagka-interest na ibinibigay niya sa'yo, no? Pwedeng may pagpipigil. With the Knight of Rings, this is a person who sees you na you're so beautiful, napakaganda mo. And maybe in the past, hindi ganun ang tingin nitong taong ito sa'yo. I mean, babae man or lalaki ha. Pwedeng in the past ang tingin niya sa'yo, wala naman yun. Yung iba sa inyo, this could be lumaki kayo or nakita kanya simula pagkabata mo and that time, pwedeng hindi naman siya ganun ka-interesado sa'yo. But now, na-realize niya, parang habang lumalaki, habang tumatanda, nagiging maganda or maayos ka or you look so feminine. Actually, babae man or lalaki. Basta itong taong ito, in the past, hindi siya ganun ka-attracted. But then, nakita natin na unti-unti nagkakaroon ng attraction sa kanya. So, what will happen in the future? You do have here the Five of Rings, Seven of Mirrors, in the near future for you. Hindi ko ito kukunin, masyadong marami. Okay, in the near future, you do have here the Front Runner, the Nine of Mirrors. So, actually, ayan. Wait lang, guys. Okay, in the near future, nakita natin that honestly, you might be dealing with other people. And pwedeng may mga tao kang makita or makakonect na parang ma-feel mo na parang mas better sila, mas magaling sila, ganun. But this is more like your sa sarili mo lang to na parang may mga bagay kang maiisip or makikita na magiging dahilan para bumaba yung tingin mo sa sarili mo. And that this person with the Knight of Roses and the Nine of Mirrors, actually wala akong nakikita pang connections in the near future sa inyo, but I can see separate lives sa inyong dalawa. But I feel like hindi mo siya mapapansin, and that would lead into this person na parang malungkot or masaktan or ma-feel niya na parang wala siyang chance sa'yo. So, yeah. So, yan. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.